Hey guys, William Saunders here, the co-founder of Print My ATM, and I just wanted to go ahead and go over our monthly performance report for the month of February 2015. All right. So for starters, guys, the upcoming changes right now, we're still working on the affiliate payout system. So we were looking to go at the e-wallets, but that was taking too long, looking around 8 weeks. So we're going to be moving over towards the pay cards, and I believe we're working with Global Capital right now. Okay, so it's just been a matter of missing because I had to get the meetings done with them, and I have meetings with things going on involving PMA itself. So we kind of just been missing each other. So that's the reason why it's kind of just been taking so long. But hopefully before the month is up, we can go ahead and get that issued out, and then you guys can start getting paid via on a pay cards. All right. Now, just wanted to congratulate the new six-figure club members. So we had Jim from Novice, okay, and immediate we had Kiera and Mikey who just reached the six-figure mark with their trading accounts. For advanced, we have Mark, Pete, Brian, Walter, and Johnny who just hit the six-figure club, okay? Now, keep in mind, guys, results are not typical. These guys have worked with us. I definitely can tell you that Kiera has been with us over a year now, and Walter's been with us over a year now. So for them to actually just be hitting a six-figure club mark, okay, I'm very proud of these guys. They put in consistent work and they followed the process, I'm pretty sure 100% of the time, okay? So just want to go ahead and give you guys a round of applause and to welcome you guys to the six-figure club. All right, so student spotlights right now. Stefan, I just noticed you basically came in and within your first 30 days you upgraded twice, so keep it up. I'm looking forward to seeing you become one of our top students. Florence, you've been with us on and off quite a few times, so it's glad to have you back. This time, let's stay focused. I hope everything works out for you. Raphael, you've been with us for over a year now, so I'm going to be very glad to see you once you actually hit the seven-figure mark, okay? Very proud of you, Raphael, definitely. Over a year, and you're still steadfast, following the information 100% of the time. You're mastering the process, and you're just really getting better and better. We have Kasha here. Kasha has done an outstanding job with moving up on the affiliate marketing section, okay? So she has a nice solid team, guys. So if you guys are really looking to get your affiliate marketing site going, I would recommend getting involved with Kasha. All right. And Alan, you by far, brother, are going to do such an amazing job here within the community, and you definitely have the potential to surpass myself, okay? I see you're pretty much 100%. You're going to go through the material, everything like a needle in a haystack, and you're just going to dominate this industry, okay? So very glad to go ahead and see you get started and join us here in the PMA community. All right, so with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and head over to our numbers, okay? Okay, so now we're here on our monthly performance sheet where we keep track of all the trades that we can for those that actually submit in their portfolio analysis. All right, so keep in mind once again, guys, just as a quick disclaimer, the results that you're going to see here doesn't determine anything. Your results are going to be based on your own efforts to follow instructions, based on your risk management, what trading technique you would use, and also based on how much you have in your account balance, okay? So once again, let's go ahead and just move forward and get started. So for the month of February, guys, I pretty much was just all tied up with everything. A little under the weather, was out with some friends, coronavirus, wasn't trading too much. I wind up actually injuring my ankle, so I was kind of in the house. It was just a crazy month for February for it to be a short month. So right around week one, pretty much only got in to trade my future trades for the morning. All right, so if we can see, I wound up with 30 shares or 30 contracts, basically 218 cents of profit or 218 pips, preferably whichever you guys prefer. A little over $32,000 that I gotten. Week two for the 11th, I did right around 104 cents of profit with 30 contracts. For the 12th, I did around 80 cents in profit with 30 contracts. So for week two, I did around 140 cents, a little over 27,000 for the month of February. Just me just trading these few times with futures. I've gotten 402 cents, a net profit of $59,173. Okay, so this is all gain this month in February. All right. So basically, just keep in mind, guys, I still trade binary options. Okay, I have a few accounts that we still manage on the binary option side, so we still trade the binary options. Now, also, I do trade binary options preferably at certain times at night. It's just that during the morning time, I prefer to trade futures, and then pretty much, let's say around Tuesday, between Thursday, or sometimes even Sunday, I may take a Forex trade and go long term week by week or something like that. Okay. So this is just me documenting what I've been trading during the futures. All right. So let's head over to intermediate. Okay, so intermediate guys, of course, you get three portfolios out of the month. We're just going ahead and documenting two of those three. Possibly you guys would probably be trading off for weeks, but this is just the portfolios that you guys are sending in as a collective whole. Now, if it has NA next to it, as you guys see here, more than likely it was a bank holiday. We're not going to include it. Bank holidays are sometimes good, and bank holidays are sometimes bad. So there is no true way to get a good fluctuation on our training if you're including the bank holiday. So you just preferably not to have them added in. So for portfolio 20, we can see that intermediate student as a whole using the long-term trades. So that's the 80-20 analysis. We're talking the 5-bar breakout. These are all long-term trades, no short-term trades. 159 wins, 59 losses, a little over 187,000 worth of profit. So for portfolio 21, we have 42 wins, 9 losses, a little over 42,000 of profit. For the month of February, intermediate students, 201 wins, 68 losses, 230,000 profit. So this is easy profit. That's basically just gain. This does not include the principal that was put in, and this is once again as a whole for all of the intermediate students that are combined together for the collective. Okay, so for advanced, you guys are basically getting one portfolio pretty much every single week. So we're just taking a look at three here. All right, so portfolio 31, we can see advanced students as a whole. Once again, just using long-term trades. So we're talking Alpha 1 long-term, possibly Alpha 3 long-term, no short-term trades here. Anything that's pretty much over 10 minutes or higher, okay? So 154 wins, and we have 36 losses. A little over $222,000, actually almost close to 223,000. Portfolio 32, 253 wins, 50 losses, $326,350. We have portfolio 33 here. So we have 76 wins, 10 losses, $89,750. So we combine everything that the advanced students got together for the month of February. We can see we have 483 wins, 96 losses, $639,050. Okay. So we just go ahead and to take the intermediate right here, the wins, losses, their profits. Go ahead and take the wins, losses, and their profits, and you basically just come back and just take my profit. We can go ahead and get the grand monthly total here. So for the month of February, guys, altogether, we've taken 684 wins, 164 losses, a net profit of a little over $928,000, okay? So we're slightly down from January, and that's more than likely due to all of the bank holidays that we had that wasn't added into there, okay? Once we get to March, we can just go ahead and take a look back at the previous years and to see how we're meeting as far as the quarter, okay? So once again, I mean, you guys are doing a pretty much amazing job. Some things that I would like to see more from you guys, as I've always stated month after month, I want to make sure you guys are following the process, okay? Stick to the information that we have laid out and be consistent. So we have quite a few students that were consistent 6 months, 7 months, and then they started to die down. And I'm not going to call you guys out, but you guys definitely know who I'm speaking upon, okay? So I keep up pretty much with all of the students that come in, that come through. If I can't do it every 2 weeks, best believe at least a month, I'm taking a look at your quizzes to see how well you're progressing as a student. I'm taking a look to see how well you are progressing through your portfolio analysis. I'm also taking a look to see how well you are keeping up with the trading sessions, okay? So you guys can guarantee about the time your third month has passed, I have gone thoroughly through your PMA student profile, okay? So about time you guys actually probably contact me personally on Facebook. I'm very aware of your situation before you ask me any questions, definitely. Anytime you guys are sitting in these support tickets and everything like that, more than likely the person who's actually answering the support questions are pretty much aware of everything that's going on with your student portfolios, all right? So we don't have too many new staff members that come in and don't know the student that's requesting. So after about 3 months, you guys are definitely plugged in our system and we're really keeping an eye up on you. So we want to make sure you guys are really getting to the six-figure mark, and possibly after the six-figure mark, we want to make sure you guys are really stepping into that seven-figure mark zone for us, okay? So you guys just have to make sure you follow everything, you stay focused. We're going to do our best to aid you guys and lead you to the correct direction, and we can do our best to hold your hand as much as possible when it comes to answering support tickets, when it comes to answering questions during the webinar, when it comes to grading your portfolio for analysis. That is our step in actually holding your hands. And even some of the PMA students right now, you guys have pretty much coaches that we've actually looked into to see how well that can increase the performance. But I mean, most of the information, guys, you guys just have to take it and you have to just work with it, okay? In order to get the type of results that you want to get. That's just basically how it is. So we haven't really had anyone that came in that weren't satisfied from implementing the information that we've taught. Okay, so make sure you guys are staying focused on that and you guys are actually going ahead, and if you have any questions, do what needs to be done. Submit in that ticket to support to answer that questions, or go ahead and attend that trading session, okay, so that you guys can get that question answered. Because as long as you're able to understand this information and move over to the next step, then you guys will get it, all right? If you do not know what your trading stats are, you're not going to get too far in this industry. Okay, so you guys need to understand what your trading stats are, exactly what's your winning ratio, what's your winning streak, your losing streak, what's your strongest asset, what's your weakest asset, certain things like that. You guys have to understand. Now, we can help you understand that within a community, and that's what we're here for. But if you guys are not following anything that we have and you're just kind of going about your own route and you still don't understand your own trading stats, then you're not going to get too far in this industry. So we want to make sure that you guys are getting set up properly, okay? So for those of you that are also just hit the 12-month mark and you have free tuition, congratulations. So there's a few of you. I believe Cam has just hit the 12-month mark, so congratulations to Cam. Nelson's hit the 12-month mark. So basically there's quite a few that just recently hit their 12 months within a community, 12 months of solid paid tuition that they've been active PMA students with, and now they receive free tuition to that level that was granted to them. So congratulations to those guys that actually did that, all right? And I definitely look forward to seeing more from you. And congratulations to all of the students that just hit six-figure club, okay? And also the student spotlight that I was going over, I want to definitely congratulate those students as well. Just to let you guys know that I am paying attention to you guys, okay? Now, if this is your first time hearing about binary options or trading in general and you guys are looking for information, then that's great. We can help you there as well. A couple things you guys want to keep in mind. We have something pretty much for just about every diverse trader, okay? So keep that in mind. We trade binary options, we trade forex, we trade futures, and pretty soon the expert guys are going to be trading penny stocks, okay? So we're going all over into the trading realms to actually learn how to take this skill set and to develop it so you guys are not stuck with one skill set or one type of brokerage, okay? So we're moving that all around. Now, if you guys are just kind of looking to get in and to kind of see if you can make some money and you want to try to take this as a hobby, perfectly fine. Basic is good for you, okay? That's for binary options. If you guys want to learn how to just jump into Forex, I recommend advanced, okay? Now, if you guys want to kind of make some money, but you don't have enough money to actually put towards your education, but you still want to make some solid grounds, I recommend novice. Now, if you guys, of course, do have money and you want to take this as a full-time career, definitely the starting point for that would be intermediate, okay? But if you guys can invest into your education and jump straight into advanced, I definitely recommend that because that is pretty much hands down, it's going to be everything that you need, okay? You won't need anything else from that tuition level. Advanced is more than enough to have you guys mastering trading binary options, and it's also more than enough to have you guys trading forex, okay? All right, so if you guys would like more information on that, just go ahead and read the description box somewhere down below, or you can pretty much check up on the course tab, which is on our homepage, okay? Now, keep up with us, guys, on our social media, okay? Facebook.com/printmyatm. We go ahead and give out daily trades every day or so on there. That's free of charge, okay? Keep up with us on our YouTube channel, guys, youtube.com/printmyatm. We have interesting content that come out there as well. And if you guys have, of course, any other questions, go ahead and just contact us via email, support@printmyuniversity.com, or on the chat box, which is on the homepage, okay? So once again, we wish everyone, of course, much success, and as always, happy trading. Take care, guys.